Problem 820. This has to do with the Super Bowl ads. So once again, you're going to have to pull up the file on the Super Bowl ad ratings. And what we're comparing is the first half of the game, which is the first and second quarter, to the average viewing for the second half of the game, which is the third and fourth quarter. So once again, when we read the question, what is it that we're trying to calculate? We have clearly stated in part A, a confidence interval, but for what? Once again, this says for the population mean and of the ad rating. So we pull up the data set from the file, and we want confidence interval for mean. This is now the third in a row if you've been paying attention to and watching the first couple of videos. So once again, we are doing a confidence interval for a mean. So in this particular case, the sample standard deviation is 0.715. 253,771. You get this from the data set. The sample mean is 5.38. Sample size is 31. We have a 95% confidence level. So in this particular case, that tells you the average of the ad for the ads for the first half for the ratings. A rating of 5.12 to 5.64, 95% of the time, the population will be between those two numbers. Now, in order to save a bit of time, I'm simply going to copy and paste this over to here. Hadn't protected the spreadsheet, that would have worked. But since I did and forgot that I did that, I'll just type in the new numbers for the second half. So in this case, 1.04, 109, 25, 5.65, 27, and the confidence interval stays at 95%. So what you have is the ad rating has gone up. You can see the standard deviation has also increased. So the mean has also increased. So our confidence interval has shifted upwards or to the right. So we're 95% sure that the ad rating in the second half of the Super Bowl ads is 5.24 to 6.06, which is higher than the first half. So the ratings for the ads go up in the second half of the football game. But once again, we're doing confidence interval for mean for a sample to be able to infer what the population true mean is.